How to make a hidden door in Minecraft. So first just go find a place where you want to put your hidden door to. So let's say I want to put my hidden door here on this place right here. So I'm just gonna dig up and now just dig more. And I'm just gonna put my sticky piston right here on this block. So it should be facing towards just like so. And the next thing that you want to do is destroy the blocks behind the sticky piston. Destroy the block here. Put some redstone torch here on the bottom. And just cover it up with another stone just like so. And now just simply put some redstone dust here on top. Now once that's done, so go back here and just destroy 2 blocks deep just like so. And 2 blocks more to basically goes in front of the door that we are going to make. Just like that. And here put a redstone repeater and get your redstone dust and put it just like this and destroy another block and put it right there. And now what you want to do is just basically cover all of these up. Now to see if it works, just need to get your lever just like this and put it here in front of your door. And when we click on it, as you can see, the piston is now working. Now what you want to do is just cover all of these up. So I'm just going to cover it first. So as you can see, we now have our door hidden, and when I get the lever and place it right there and use it, as you can see, we now have our hidden door right here. And now you just basically start building up your base from there. So just basically dig up and make your room and stuff. And if you want to hide it, just simply need to destroy the lever right here and basically hidden, and no one can find it unless you basically put the lever and open it up just like that. That's how you basically make a hidden door in Minecraft.